Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this pole chainsaw. This is a 10-inch chainsaw and it extends out to 14.5 feet total. Here is a look at that extension pole. This is where it is currently collapsed. And then there is a separate chainsaw that you can go ahead and snap onto the pole right there. As you can see, this is very well built. And there is the battery. You've also got the slot right there to go ahead and slide in the battery. It uses the Milwaukee M18 battery, and as you can see, very nice grip on that pole right there. Looking up here, you can go ahead and rotate this a full 180 degrees so you can get different angles with the cutting action right there. And let's go ahead and look at the total. This is the extended length, so I extended those two sections, and then here is the hand chainsaw. You can use this just by itself if you'd like. Again, 10 inches. Right here is where you want to go ahead and put in the oil. It automatically dispenses the oil as it runs, so that's super nice. It's got this nice handle right here. So let's go ahead and look again at it being used. This thing cut through the wood very easily, and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.